Yeah, gonna take it back.
Yes!
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Asked you once, asked you twice now. There's lipstick on your collar. You say she's just a friend now. Then why don't we call her? So you wanna go on with someone to do all the things you used to do to me? I swear, I know you do. Ugh. You said take me out in your fancy car and make out in the rain. And when I ring you up, don't know where you are till I hear her say your name. You should sing along when you play guitar. It's a distant memory. Hope she treats you better than he treated me. I'm onto you, yeah you. I'm not your number one. I saw you with her, kissing and having fun. If you're giving all of your money and time, I'm not gonna sit here wasting mine on you, yeah you. Ciao, adios, I'm done. Ciao, adios, I'm done. Ciao, adios, I'm done. After 3, after 4 times, why did I bother? Tell me how many more times does it take to get smarter? No need to deny the hurt and the lies and all of the things you did to me. I swear, I know. Yeah, you did. And now you take her out in your fancy car and make out in the rain. And when she rings you up, she know where you are, but I know differently. And now she sings along when you play guitar, like your brand new memories. Hope he treats you better than he treated me. You what? I'm onto you, yeah you. I'm not your number one. I saw with kissing and having fun. If you're giving all of your money and time, I'm not gonna sit here wasting mine on you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm done. Ciao, adios, I'm done. No, 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 no. Yeah. If you're giving all of your money and time, I'm not gonna sit here wasting mine on you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And now you take her out in your fancy car. And when she rings you up,